These are the two groups. So start. 2 2s are 4, then 1 remains, 185, 44 4s are 176, then 964, 482 into 2, that is, and this 729 is, in fact you should know this, we should not be doing this. 729 is a square of 27. That's why I say learn squares up to 30, tables up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. So this time is not wasted. Okay, you can try this if you don't know. So 2 2, then 4 down, then 329, 47 sevens are, that's okay. So 27 is the square root. So the fraction becomes what now? Fraction is now 242 upon 27. So just divide it. It becomes 8.96 meters. That's the required answer. Next is state true or false. First, the square root of 0.9 is 0.3. Is it true? That is false. Why? See here. Square root of 0.9 is what? This is not equal to 0.3. Why? Because if you square this 0.3, the answer should be 0.9 then. But if you square 0.3, what is the answer you get? 0.09. 3 3 is a 9 and point shifts 2 places. So 9 and 0. So 0.09. That's why 1 is false. The square root of a perfect square of n digits, which will have n plus 1 upon 2 digits if n is odd. It means any number which is a perfect square, and if the number of digits in that number is odd, then the square root will have n plus 1 upon 2 digits. Means, let's see this. 625. 625 is a perfect square of 25. Okay. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Odd. Right? So square root will have 3 n plus 1 upon 2. 3 plus 1 upon 2. That is 4 upon 2. That is 2 digits. That's right. You can check up with any number which has odd digits and then try to find the square root. It should be a perfect square, but okay. So this answer is true. Next, all the numbers of a Pythagorean triplet are odd. What is a Pythagorean triplet? This is a Pythagorean triplet. To watch the videos further, kindly download YogaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.